Can you get protection for the vibe of a song? Can a chord progression be copyrighted? Did Ed Sheeran's Thinking Out Loud violate copyright? Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel and to another episode of the series that I like to call The Case Files. Today we're diving into one of the most popular copyright cases in the modern music world, Sheeran versus Townsend. Did Ed Sheeran really copy the famous song Let's Get It On? What did the court say? And how has this judgment impacted the music industry? Let's talk about it. In 2017, the heirs of Ed Townsend, who was Marvin Gaye's co-writer for the famous song Let's Get It On, filed a lawsuit against Ed Sheeran. They claimed that Sheeran's 2014 smash hit Thinking Out Loud copied elements from Marvin Gaye's 1973 classic. They argued that what was copied was not the lyrics, but the chord progression, harmonic rhythm, and the overall feel of the song Let's Get It On. You should listen to these songs yourself to make up your own mind. I of course can't play these songs here because I don't want to get into trouble for copyright violation. Anyway, Townsend's lawyers argued that the heart of the song had been copied even if the exact notes had not been copied. Ed Sheeran of course took up the position that he was not violating anybody's copyright. After years of back and forth, the case finally went to trial in the District Court of New York. During the trial, Ed Sheeran apparently played his guitar in court to explain how the chord progression used in Thinking Out Loud is extremely common in pop music and therefore one artist cannot own the chord progression or the vibe associated with that music progression. In 2023, the courts finally decided in favor of Ed Sheeran. They found that he did not infringe on the copyright of the song Let's Get It On. The courts found that the elements that the lawsuit was based on was not protected by copyright law. Number one, chord progressions. While there were similar progressions used in both songs, the courts found that they are too common to be copyrighted. These are considered the equivalent of musical building blocks that belong to everyone. Sheeran's lawyers had pointed out that the chord progression in question has been used in dozens of other songs before Let's Get It On, so it cannot be copyrighted. Number two, harmonic rhythm. This is the way chords change in time. This was also a basic compositional technique, not original enough to qualify for protection. Number three, the vibe or feel of a song. This was the song's groove or emotional quality. This too was not copyrightable. You can't copyright a mood. After the case, Ed Sheeran went so far as to say that if he had lost, he may have quit the music industry. Following the ruling in favor of Ed Sheeran in 2023, Townsend's estate filed an appeal to the case, hoping to overturn the judgment. However, the appeal court agreed with the decision of the lower court and dismissed the claim. This case isn't only about Ed Sheeran. It touched on a huge issue that exists in the music industry. And that is, where do you draw the line between inspiration and infringement? The courts decided that basic music building blocks like common chord progressions can't be copyrighted. That's huge for songwriters, producers, and anyone creating new music. It also marks a shift from earlier cases like the one where Robin Thicke and Pharrell lost the claim regarding the song Blurred Lines, which was ruled to have copied the vibe of another Marvin Gaye song. So Ed Sheeran's win is being seen as a win for creative freedom. If artists were allowed to copyright these common elements, it could choke creativity and make writing new songs legally risky. But of course, it does raise another question. How do we protect original music without stifling artists who are just working within the same traditions? So what do you think? Did Ed Sheeran get lucky? Or was this lawsuit unfair from the start? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, check out the other episodes of this series, The Case Files. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.